It's time for another Diatomaceous Earth treatment. The ants are running ragged. They gonna die today. Now, we haven't did a treatment since the last video treatment. So that's how long it lasted. Alright. If your plants are struggling a little bit, check for ants. Ants will eat the soil, be in your soil, taking the nutrients and the water from your plants. So if your plant's suffering, the simplest thing to start with is pest control. Diatomaceous Earth to the rescue. To the rescue! Oh, there go one right there.
Make sure you hit the rim.
Diatomaceous Earth to the rescue.
Sprinkle some on this plant today.
Remember I said they be in the soil, come up through your little drainage holes? It's okay to put some in there. It'll give your plant a little calcium, a little added bonus. A little added bonus to put some in the soil. Okay, bye.